Hi, I'm Bill Redelmeier from Southbrook Vineyards. The first of the Ontario produce that we see is asparagus, and it's so good. But nobody knows, or very few people know how to prep it, how to cook it. I'm going to give you a couple of quick tips. First of all, snap it. Don't bother peeling it, don't bother cutting it. Always get the fattest spears that you can. They stay fresher, they taste better. The story about eating the fine, thin sprigs of asparagus, that's put out by those people that they want to keep the fat ones for themselves. So snap it where it breaks. Usually it's a ½ inch, maybe it's an inch. I've always wanted to make asparagus soup out of the butts, but I've never quite got around to it. So if anybody knows a good recipe, contact me directly. bill@southbrook.com. To cook it, put it into boiling water. Put about a teaspoon of salt in, it'll dissolve. So once the water comes to a boil, gently put the asparagus in. Make sure it's in a single layer. I usually cook it in a frying pan or a low skillet. It allows you better control. Try and cook it into a single layer as well. Some people like to grill asparagus as well, or cook it in a separate time. So if you're going to cook it, again on a grill, cook it for 4 minutes. If you're going to eat it as it comes, 6 minutes to me is the perfect amount of time. Still has a little bit of crunch, still has lots of flavor, lots of good color.